Good morning children. Did you complete exercise 3, 1 and 2 constructions? Very good. Today let us do the third construction. So before we start our construction, let us discuss what are the things that we have learned till now. The first thing that we have learned is we can construct a triangle when 3 sides are given, when 2 sides and the included angle are given, when 2 angles and 1 side are given. So here we are doing exercise 3 in which 2 angles and 1 side are given. So let's read the question which is given in exercise 3, third problem. Construct triangle RUN in which Rn is equal to 5 centimeters, angle R is equal to angle N is equal to 45 degrees. Measure the other angles and the other sides. Other angle, because already 2 angles are given, only 1 angle is not given, that angle we have to measure, and other sides. Name the triangle. This is the question given. So what is the first step that we have to do, children? Very good. We are going to draw a rough sketch of the triangle. So now let us take the base as Rn, and the length is 5 centimeters. 45 degrees, each one is 45. You know, when you draw a straight line it is 90 degrees. Half of 90 is 45 degrees. So let's draw a line of 45 degrees. When we do the actual construction, we are going to use our protractor and draw a ray. But as of now, we are just going to draw because it's a rough figure. This is 90, so half of that is 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees and this is also 45 degrees and this is U, vertex U. So this is what is given. So now let us write the step 1. Step 1 is draw a rough sketch. Draw a rough sketch of triangle RUN and label it with the given measurements. With the given measurements. With the given measurements. So what is the first step we have to do? That is, first step is completed. Let us do the second step, which is drawing a line segment of length 5 centimeters. Take out your scales, children. So children, you can see that this is 0. You need to mark a point, and then at 5 mark a point and draw a line joining the 2 points, and that is the line segment which is required. Draw that. So I have drawn a line segment of length 5 centimeters. Now let us use the protractor. So here's your protractor, and when you use it from R, from this point like this, you are going to see the inner scale you are going to see, and when you take from N, from this point like this, from N if you take, you are going to see the outer scale and mark the angle at 45 degrees. I'll just show you. So this is 45 degrees, inner scale 45 degrees, and this is outer scale 45 degrees. Between 40 and 50 is 45 degrees. You need to mark here and draw the line. The outer scale 45 degrees is between 40 and 50. The longest line is 45 degrees. So now let us draw. See that the base line is overlapping on the line segment that is drawn, and and let us mark 45 degrees here and draw a ray. Then let us mark 45 degrees and draw a ray. Use your scale for drawing the rays. So here from R 45 degrees. So this is Rx and this is Ry. Ny is the ray that we have drawn, and we know that the intersecting point of these two rays is U. Intersecting point is U. This angle is 45 degrees. This angle is 45 degrees. Now we have to check what is this angle. Use your protractor and check the angle. So here when you take Ny as the base, you can see that the line drawn here is at 90. Angle is at 90. So this angle is 90 degrees. They asked you to measure the other angle and the other sides. Now use your scale and measure the other sides. This part, so this is 20 and this is 15 and this is, so whatever measurements you are getting, you write the measurements that side. Which type of triangle is this? One angle is 90 degrees. So when you have one right angle, what do you call that triangle? Very good. It is a right angled triangle. Now let us write the construction steps. Step 1 we have written. Let us write step 2. Step 2 is draw a line segment. Draw a line segment. Draw a line segment Rn of length 5 centimeters. That is the second step. What did we do in the third step? Step 3. Yes? What did we do? Draw a ray. Draw a ray Rx making an angle of 45 degrees at R. 45 degrees at R. Step 4. Ny making an angle of 45 degrees. Making an angle of 45 degrees at N, and which intersects Rx ray, which means Rx ray. Understood this? Now let us copy this in your class workbooks, children. Now let us write this fifth step. Mark the intersecting point. Mark the intersecting point of the two rays. As what is this? U. The required triangle. RUN is constructed. Is constructed. What is the next part they have given? They asked you to find out the angle of U. This we measured and we came to know that it is 90 degrees. Now they asked you to find out the length of RU length, and they asked you to find out NU length. This you have to measure and write the length. This length and this length you measure and write here. Then one angle is 90 degrees. So you know that when you have one right angled triangle, it is a right angled triangle. Triangle RUN is a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Understood this, children? Copy in your classwork books.